get so mad, there's no control. My boss gets so bad.
What's up? Welcome back. The next part of the build has arrived, the Rtech Plastics kit. And as you can see on the front, I've already started, so I've also done a headlight upgrade, gold chain to throw on, and I've got some new grips to throw on. I went with the Rtech Plastics kit because I wanted to keep these gold decals on here. I think they look great. I do want to put them back on again. And a replacement plastics kit from AliExpress didn't work out any cheaper than buying the Rtech kit. Up front you can see I've already installed the mudguard. Really simple job. The M10s, 4 of those, just throw those, undo those, the guard comes straight off. I have also thrown the decals on there, the gloss. Still not 100% on those, maybe I should have went with the matte. Up here you see I've thrown the headlight on. Now I changed my headlight because 2 reasons. The original headlight is not very good at night, it's a bit dull. And the second reason is because in Australia they're super strict on licensing, and if I was to get in trouble and need to take my bike over the pits, I need the original factory headlight to be working. So I didn't want to risk running off-road and breaking that headlight and having to buy a replacement. This was like 60 Australian dollars and works great and is brighter. The downside to this headlight though is it's only a positive negative wire. It has a module inside which makes low beam, high beam, and some reason a strobe light. But now with my controls, I can turn that headlight off. As you can see now, it is off. I think that is high beam, low beam, and strobe light. I'm not sure why. All that is controlled by this switch now. So that turns it on, turns it off. Every time I turn it on and off, that resets that little module, moves it to the next level. But yeah, stoked just to be able to turn that headlight off though, because I don't always want that running. To remove this, it's just 2 bolts up top here and 1 just on the side here. Really easy, just undo those, remove the 2 Phillips head screws behind here holding that on, and then you can just swap it over. There's a bit more involved with the headlight. I did have to custom make a little harness to make it all plug and play. I'll do the battery lid next, and then I'll work my way back and we'll change all these bits out. Got the battery lid, flarings on, super easy, 3 screws.
Ordinary's like a toxin. I don't wanna be like Robin. I just wanna lead no option. Fuck caution, I ain't gonna be common. I got the confidence, like I'm on the shit, like I'm the baddest bitch in the club. I'm here for dominance, I'm being honest, that's what I want. I'll never give up, I want the whole place sold.
So the back end is a bit more complex. We've got 2 push pins here, we just pop those out with screwdrivers. 2 bolts here and here. I think you need to remove these 2. Fillets, these 2, and then there's 2 more under here that you also have to take off. And then also I think there's a couple of screws hidden behind here as well. Oh, and some more push pins, so yeah.
You know I'm after this shit, till the world say my motherfucking name.
Driven by fire, driven by fear, never get tired, no I'm still here. Fell to the cracks, now I'm shifting gears.
You can see I've gone with a different tidy tail here with some secret removable indicators, and the number plate will just bolt on and just unclip and come straight off, really easy. But you have to wait till my street video and I'll run you through what I've done there. All blacked out, Rtech Plastics kit installed. Pretty easy job to do, good to have spare plastics as well. We have arrived at the spot, the little jump spot. So I've got the plastics all sorted, I've got the new grips on there. They already feel heaps better. I didn't end up putting the gold chain on just yet because I've got a big sprocket coming. So when I put that sprocket on, then I'll put the gold chain on. But yeah, she's looking sick. Pretty happy with it. Still got to delete that little green bit there. Apart from that, she looks solid. Hearing my voice, I've actually been a bit crook lately. Still trying to get over that. But yeah, it's a day to ride. So can't miss out. Been a minute, so I'll run around this track and just get a feel for it. You know, the little loop over there. Go over there and have a crack at that side too. Bit dusty, haven't had much rain.
Heaps smoother on the Sur Ultra Bee. The suspension's just next level, man. Such a good little spot out here though. Oh, a little boggy. Might hit that bigger one today as well. See how I'm feeling when I warm up. Always hard by yourself, trying to pump yourself up, and you know, the thought of falling off as well always plays in your head. And I actually like this jump, quite smooth, nice and safe tabletop. Oh yeah. Try a no footer. Try a one-hander. Which hand? Don't know. Stand here through and take off. Let's have a little look-see over here. Few different line options through there. Oh, little boggy. No real lip there. That's a little quarter, I might chuck that back on there. Let's give this little kicker a go. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's give that booter a little go here. Oh, very short. Oh yeah. Ow. Try and get that third jump this time. The second one hasn't really got any lip on it either. Clean, clean, clean. Scary, I got it. I'll run it again. Yeah, I can do that fourth one. I've done it on the LBX, so that was with terrible suspension. Well, had the fast 8s on there, but this is way better. Should be able to get it. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Hit that jump line again. Yeah, well, just want to fix the lip on this one a little bit up. It's a bit flat. I'll do a hot lap on the jump line over here, and then we'll go back to the other side. Let's go. Yeah, clean. Right, let's hit the other side.
So these two dudes on CRF 110s rocked up and gave us the confidence to hit the big one. Let's go.
There we go. Let's go. We got that first one out the way. 110s here, pumping us up. Clean, 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 clean. Right, I'll do a hot lap over this side. Let's go. Starting at that little tabletop. Chill burn. Big double. Clean. Oh, she's bog. Around these burns.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.